How to transfer data from PS3 to PS3. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to transfer audio data from one PlayStation 3 to another using built-in data transfer utility. Whether you're upgrading to a new console or replacing an older one, this step-by-step guide will help you move your games, saves, and settings seamlessly. What you need. Before we begin, make sure you have two PS3 systems, the source audio and the destination, an internet cable to connect them directly, a TV or monitor with multiple input ports to switch between consoles. Step 1. Prepare both PS3 systems. First, update both PS3 systems to the latest system software version. On the source PS3, sign into your PlayStation Network account and sync your trophies. Then, deactivate the system from your PSN account to free up activations. Step 2. Connect the consoles. Turn off both PS3 systems. Connect them directly and use the internet cable. Then, connect each console to different video inputs on your TV to switch between them easily. Step 3. Initiate data transfer. Power on both consoles and your TV. On the source PS3, go to Settings, System Settings, Data Transfer Utility. Select transfer data from this system to the other PS3 system. Switch your TV input to the destination PS3. On the destination PS3, navigate to the same menu and select transfer data from the other PS3 system to the system. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the transfer. Step 4. Complete the transfer. The transfer process may take some time, depending on the amount of the data. Ensure both consoles remain powered on and don't disconnect the Ethernet cable during this process. Once completed, the destination PS3 will restart and your data will be available. And that's it. That's how you transfer data from one PS3 to another using the data transfer utility. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.